Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the division. Division is a fundamental arithmetic operation that helps us split a total amount into equal parts. Imagine you have 12 cookies and want to share them equally among 3 friends. Each friend would receive 4 cookies. Here, 12 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor, and 4 is the quotient, representing the result of our sharing. Let's walk through long division. First, look at the leftmost digit of your dividend. See how many times your divisor fits into it. Write that number as the first digit of your quotient. Then, multiply this quotient digit by the divisor and subtract the result from the dividend part. Bring down the next digit and repeat the process until no digits remain. Sometimes, division doesn't result in a whole number. The leftover amount is called the remainder. If you need a more precise answer, you can extend your division into decimals. Simply add a decimal point and a 0 to your dividend, then continue the long division process. You might find that some divisions produce repeating decimal patterns, like 1 divided by 3. Division is incredibly useful in everyday life. For instance, if you have $20 and want to buy 5 identical items, division tells you each item costs $4. It helps you share a pizza equally among 6 people or figure out how many teams of 4 you can make from a group of 24 players. It's essential for budgeting and understanding averages.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.